Welcome back to another episode in the Flex83 How-To series. In this final episode, we will learn how to build an application in the Flex83 platform and how to assign roles and users to that application. To begin with, click on the tab Application Builder on the navigation bar and click Applications from the drop-down. It will show you a list of all the previously built applications, and to create a new one, you have to click on this plus button at the top right corner. You can give your application a name upon clicking the Add Application symbol. For example, I'll mention it as a test app and add a description to it. You can also give a version of your application or a branding text here, upload the application logo, add the application thumbnail, adjust the menu orientation, and then you can select the application theme manually or one from the predefined. Once these steps are followed, click Next. Now here, you'll find options to customize the app menu. To create a fresh menu, click Add Menu and fill in the required details, such as the menu name. Here I'm keeping it as Menu A. Next, you can drag and drop pages we built previously in the developer workbench. These pages are collectively feeded here. If I drag and drop this page to the menu here, I can add this menu. So this is now saved. Similarly, to add another menu, click and create a new one by giving it a different name, like I'm adding Menu B and the Customer Network Topology page to this menu. Once this is done, click the Next button to find the Roles page on your screen. Here, you can create a new role. For instance, I'm clicking the Operator role. And after this, click on Save to save the role type. And then, you have to click on the Role Menu Mapping tab. Here you can give Menu A to the Operator role we made and similarly for Menu B and click on Update. Once you click Update, the details entered get updated in the application. Now if you go to the application listing, our test app can be seen updated here. The way we created this test app, a smart generator app, can also be made. Once you click on the URL, you can direct it to the application. Now, you would need a login ID and a password to access that application. To do that, come to App Users, and you can create a new user with the required details. For instance, I'm adding a user with my name and email address here. Upon clicking Save, the user will appear on this window here. It can be seen here. If I click on Assign Application here, then available applications can be assigned to this user. Like when we assign Smart Generator to the application, we will find multiple roles, as shown here. As for the test app, we created only one role as an operator. Let's say I give access to the Smart Generator and role as operator, and click on Save to update the access. And now, getting back to applications, you will find the list and can access the Smart Generator application here by clicking on the URL shown here. It will redirect you to the newly built application as the Smart Generator, allowing you to use the application features added in previous steps. This makes it a uniquely powerful tool of flexibility platform that lets you build dynamic applications and create a list of users and roles who would access the application and assign menus and mappings accordingly. And that's not all. You can also write your custom code, deploy it in the container, and build custom applications with the assigned user base. This is possible only with the AEP platform as Flex83. A few clicks and simple drag and drop allow you to build your custom IoT app. With this episode, we conclude our Flex83 How-To series and thank you for watching these videos.